I just can't do any of it. It always falls. I've tried everything, lol. Picking the hoop up from my feet to my knees, crying face. Holding the hoop on the same position above my knees. It comes lower and then it just falls. The entire thing. I can't do any of it. Sad face. Getting the hoop back up from the floor. I can't wait to unlock leg hooping. My hip glute coordination to keep the hoop spinning on my legs. Keeping it up. Popping it back up from the floor. Everything. If this sounds like you when it comes to leg hooping, then you are going to love this new course, Unlocking Leg Hooping. See, there's this big misconception that it's knee hooping, but in this step-by-step course, I'm going to show you that it's very little to do with your knees. In fact, it is all to do with your hips and then the balance and posture that you have in your body. We are going to go step by step, taking it from waist down to knees and all the points in between. Because if you don't have that connection and that intelligence, then of course you're going to lose the hoop. Then in the next section, we go from knees back up to waist and all of the mechanics and the techniques that you need to have full mobility and freedom. And then we go from kicking up from the floor back up to the knees so that you can work it back up to your waist with ease. Now here is the big secret that often we don't talk about with leg hooping. A lot of it is to do with your hips. And if your hips are tight or they're overactive or they don't have any activation at all, and the dance, the play between your glutes, yes, your booty and your psoas muscle, that band that connects your legs and the fronts of your hips and your spine is not firing, then leg hooping is going to be super challenging for you, and it is totally not your fault. So I'm also going to take you through some hip opening and activation exercises that you can do anytime, anywhere, so that leg hooping feels a little bit more like a breeze and less like these challenges. I'll see you in there.